Thank you for purchasing DQE One for Salesforce. This video demonstrates the installation process. Before installing DQE One, you should note that DQE One utilizes Salesforce's state and country pick lists. If you haven't enabled this feature, detailed documentation is available from Salesforce. You'll find a link in the documentation accompanying this video. You will also require the endpoint for your backend server. This will have been provided during the onboarding process with DQE. If you don't have this information, please reach out to your account executive for assistance. We're ready to install DQE One, so from the home screen in Salesforce, we're going to provide the URL that will begin the installation process. Select Install for all users, acknowledge the message, and select Install. Approve the request for third-party access and select Continue. Installation may take a few minutes to complete. Feel free to skip ahead to 2:06 in the video. Select Done to return to Salesforce. You'll receive an email once the installation has been completed. Now that the DQE One package has been installed, we just need to go through a few steps to complete the installation. From the App Launcher, select DQE One. Select the Installer tab. Select your region, and then select Start Installation. Enter your license code as provided by DQE and your backend server URL obtained during onboarding. Select Allow. Another browser tab will open, indicating that the registration was successful. This tab can be closed. Select Submit on the OAuth registration. The installation will now deploy components of the DQE One application. Select Finish. Click Save to return to Salesforce. The installation of DQE One is now complete.